Hello out there and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, you're very welcome. I'm glad to have you. I upload videos every now and then teaching people WordPress mastery and helping you get things done for free. I try as much as possible to upload videos every now and then around the free stuffs on YouTube, what works, what do not work, and how to get them done for yourself. So in this video, we want to look at creating a child theme. But in this video, I want to really make some clarification. I want to let you know when you need to create a child's theme and how you can create one in just 2 minutes. Right before you is a WordPress website I created with a free Astra theme. It's a one-page website, and this website do not have a child's theme, and I'll be creating one here. But basically, if everything you'll be doing is editing your page, your titles, your menu, your WordPress content, and if every customization you'll be doing at the back end here is for you to change your header, footer, sidebar, you may necessarily do not need to use a child's theme, because child's theme are necessary when you are making changes to your CSS, to your style sheet, to your PHP. In that sense, when you are adding some code to your WordPress editor, you are trying to change core files in your WordPress theme, is when you may likely need to install a child's theme. But again, you may just need to install it once and for all, because you may never can tell when exactly you will need it. I remember back some years back when I started designing my website, I thought I never needed a child's theme. Not until a day I needed to change some fonts, some styles in my theme. I just had to Google it, and I was given a code, and I pasted the code into my website. And eventually, when I did an upgrade, I lost everything I'd done because I had just forgotten to create a child's theme. So you may never can tell exactly when you will need to make some changes to your website that will need you to add some code or do some stuff. So I would advise basically that even if you feel you don't need it now, it doesn't change anything, it doesn't add anymore. Gone are the days when you need to write codes or copy some codes online before you can create a child's theme. I can remember the first child's theme I created, it was actually through coding, but in this video I'll show you how to get that done using a very simple plugin. And here would be installing a plugin. So we'll come to plugins and we'll come to add new. Right here, let's just search for child theme. Okay, so I got a plugin here called Child Theme Configurator. So let's install this plugin and also activate. So we've got this plugin activated. So let's come to tools and you see a place called Child Theme. Like I told you, I did design this website with Astra, but you can check if you have a list of themes you've installed, and these are basically default themes, but I would leave it with Astra. And then we analyze. Yes, this theme appears okay to use a child's theme, and this theme does not require a parent's theme style.css file for its appearance. We can name the child theme we want to create Astra Child. That's cool. We can separate the style sheet. There's nothing bad doing that. And then we can leave this as it is. We have designed this as Astra Child Theme's website. Here I can leave it at WP Astra. That's the URL of the theme. And author, then I can change this to Daps. Since I'm the author of this child theme, I can put my link here as Daps Digital. I can as well even still copy this and paste here, because this theme actually is mine. Yeah, and the description, I can call it anything I like. I can call that my Astra Child Theme. Tags, you can give it any tag you want. I don't think I need that. So this is my first version. Yes, I can click this. That's very important to do. And of course I can now create a child's theme. So now if we come to appearance and come to themes, you will see that we have Astra theme active, and now we have an Astra child's theme. Let's check the theme details. So you can see that this theme, you can see the version, and you can see it by Daps, and the description is that this is my Astra Child Theme. And we can choose to activate it. So we've got our Astra Child Theme activated. So if we come to our site, this is exactly what our site looks like when we are using the parent theme. So now let's refresh to see if there's any change. Now installing the child theme, nothing has changed. So let's come back to our backend, and if we come to theme editor, yeah, heads up, I understand that. So you would see that what we have as function that we can customize is our style.css, our function.php, but we can still add as much files we want to add from our parent theme here. Well, I don't really advise that anyway. I think if you anything you can edit around here is okay. But if you come to your Astra theme and select this, you see that we'll have a bunch of files that are very core to our WordPress, and you can see all the files here: index, header.php, singles.php, and all these files here should not be tampered with, because any change in any of these files here will break your site. So you want to be very wary of adding a code from anybody, even to your header, right in here. And I think I would even record a video on how to paste a link to your header, not directly doing that at your editor here, but using a simple plugin that will help you get that done. But we can still come down to tools and come to our child themes, and we can come down here to files, and you can see we have a bunch of files here like I showed you earlier. So let's say, for example, I want to singles.php. I can copy and select this to child's theme. Okay, now we'll come back to our appearance and come down to theme editor. You would see that we have a new file now that is single.php. So we can edit the single.php files that we have here. And if you go to your parent theme, Astra, and even if you mess around with the single.php file that's there, it doesn't affect the site anymore, because this single.php file is directly loading on your child's theme. In case you want to add a code to your header and you don't want to mess around with the original file, you can just go down there and copy and click and add your header file to your child's theme, and then from there you can edit any of the code you want to do, and it will be safe for you to do that using your child's theme, such that even if you update your parent theme, your site would not be broken. In case of any update, any upgrade or anything, you will be safe using a child's theme. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, I would appreciate that you give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate that you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, because that's how you get to know when I upload new videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.